Are you looking for the best copper tea kettle? In this video we will look at some of the best copper tea kettle on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Chemex Handmade Heavy Gauge. The Chemex Handmade Heavy Gauge teapot is a testament to traditional craftsmanship and durability. Crafted in Gaziantep city of Turkey, a hub renowned for its copper industry, this teapot is meticulously made by skilled craftsmen with a century of experience. The heavy gauge construction, boasting 1 mm thick copper, sets it apart, ensuring maximum durability and longevity. With a substantial capacity of 3.1 quarts, a diameter of 7.7 inches, and a height of 6.9 inches, this teapot is designed for practical use. Its weight of 2.75 pounds adds to its robust build, making it a substantial and reliable kitchen companion. Unlike lacquered alternatives, the Chemex teapot's body is entirely solid copper with a non-reactive food-safe tin lining on the inside. The absence of lacquer allows the teapot to develop a natural patina on the outside over time, showcasing the authentic nature of the copper. Number 2. Bella, 14753, 1.7-litre electric tea kettle. The Bella 1.7-litre electric tea kettle seems like a kitchen powerhouse. With its 1500-watt heating element, it can boil water faster than a microwave and is safer than a stovetop, all with just a flip of a switch. Safety is a top priority with features like automatic shut-off, boil dry protection, and a concealed heating element. The design includes a fully detachable 360-degree power base with cord storage, making it convenient and easy to use. The long gooseneck style spout adds a touch of elegance and is practical for controlled pours, preventing dangerous overflows. This electric kettle isn't just about functionality, it seamlessly combines style and versatility, making it a timeless favorite for any home. Whether you need hot water for tea, coffee, oatmeal, or instant soups, this kettle has got you covered. Number 3. Old Dutch Tea Kettle. The Old Dutch Tea Kettle is a classic and reliable companion for tea enthusiasts, offering a generous 2-quart capacity to brew your favorite batches of tea. Crafted from solid copper, it ensures efficient heat transfer, leading to faster boiling times. The interior is lined with nickel plating, not just for aesthetics but also for easy cleaning and maintenance. With its timeless design featuring a beautiful hand-hammered finish and a wooden handle, this tea kettle adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. It seamlessly blends the charm of the past with modern functionality, making it suitable for both gas and electric stoves. Cleaning is a breeze, as the kettle can be easily washed with warm soapy water and hand-dried for a pristine appearance. With its combination of style and practicality, the Old Dutch Tea Kettle is a delightful choice for those who appreciate the art of tea making. Number 4. Chantal Classic Tea Kettle. The Chantal Classic Tea Kettle is a perfect marriage of elegance and performance, making it a design icon with a 30-year history. Crafted from heavy-duty and high-grade copper, this kettle ensures rapid heating and even heat distribution, while also standing up to the daily rigors of use. The use of high-purity and food-grade materials guarantees that your water remains pure, safe, and full of flavor. One of the standout features of the classic tea kettle is its exclusive harmonica whistle, a delightful 2-note melody that has been a signature sound in kitchens since 1981. This charming addition adds a touch of musical joy to the experience of boiling water. Designed with user comfort in mind, the Classic Series kettles boast an ergonomic design, featuring a stay-cool handle and a spout press gate refined for consistent flow and precise pouring. This ensures effortless control and precision, making spills and splashes a thing of the past. Overall, the Chantal Classic Tea Kettle combines timeless elegance with practical functionality, making it a reliable and stylish companion in any kitchen. Number 5. Chemex Heavy Gauge. The Chemex Heavy Gauge teapot is a meticulously crafted kitchen essential that offers both elegance and functionality. Crafted from thick, engraved solid copper, this teapot is designed without lacquer or varnish, showcasing the natural beauty of the material. Each teapot is 100% handmade by Demex's skilled copper artisans in Turkey, ensuring a high level of craftsmanship and attention to detail. The teapot features a wooden and brass handle, combining traditional and durable materials. Additionally, it is lined with food-grade tin, ensuring both safety and ease of cleaning. Suitable for use on gas and electric stoves, this teapot is designed to accommodate various kitchen setups, offering a versatile solution for tea enthusiasts. However, it is important to note that it is not suitable for induction stoves.